Imagine, if you will, a world where humans could travel at the speed of light. A world where the vast distances of the universe shrink to mere moments. Picture yourself strapped into a spaceship, ready to embark on a thrilling adventure to distant galaxies. The anticipation builds as you prepare for the journey of a lifetime. The engines roar, pushing you faster and faster until you reach an unfathomable speed, 300,000 kilometers per second. The acceleration is unlike anything you've ever experienced, the speed of light. But hold on a moment, what would actually happen to your body at such an incredible speed? The very fabric of reality begins to shift. But before we begin, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and like this video as well. It helps the algorithm. Let's find out. The very laws of physics, as we understand them, start to behave in rather peculiar ways at such speeds. Time itself seems to stretch and warp. The very laws of physics, as we understand them, start to behave in rather peculiar ways at such speeds. It's a realm where time, space, and even your own body undergo extraordinary transformations. You might witness the bending of light and the warping of space around you. Prepare yourself, for the journey ahead is fraught with mind-boggling concepts and awe-inspiring wonders. The universe reveals its secrets in the most unexpected ways. Are you ready to push the boundaries of human understanding? To explore the unknown and challenge the limits of what we believe is possible? Fasten your seatbelts, because our first stop takes us straight into the mind-bending world of time dilation. Get ready to explore the fascinating concept that challenges our very understanding of time itself. Einstein's theory of relativity tells us that time is not absolute but is relative to the observer's speed. This groundbreaking idea revolutionized physics and changed how we perceive the universe. In simpler terms, the faster you travel, the slower time passes for you compared to someone standing still. This phenomenon is known as time dilation, and it has been confirmed by numerous experiments. Imagine two identical clocks, one on Earth and one on our speeding spaceship. As our spaceship accelerates, the difference in time becomes more pronounced. As we approach the speed of light, something incredible happens. The effects of time dilation become extreme, almost surreal. The clock on our spaceship starts ticking slower than the one on Earth. This isn't just science fiction, it's a real consequence of traveling at such high speeds. It's as if time itself is being stretched. The faster we go, the more time seems to elongate, creating a fascinating and almost magical effect. If we were to travel at the speed of light for, say, 1 year, decades might pass back on Earth. This means that while we experience just a single year, the world we left behind ages significantly. We would return to a world that has aged significantly while we've barely aged a day. This mind-bending concept shows just how strange and wonderful our universe can be. Now hold on tight, because things are about to get even weirder as we explore the concept of mass increase. According to Einstein's theory, as an object approaches the speed of light, its mass increases. This increase isn't like gaining weight. It's as if the object is becoming more resistant to any further acceleration. At everyday speeds, this mass increase is negligible, but at the speed of light, it becomes infinitely large. This means that to reach the speed of light, you would need an infinite amount of energy, which is, of course, impossible. It's like trying to push an immovable object. This fundamental limit prevents us, at least with our current understanding of physics, from ever actually reaching the speed of light. Section 4. Cosmic Kaleidoscope. Get ready for a visual spectacle unlike anything you've ever seen. Traveling at the speed of light wouldn't just be a wild ride, it would also be a breathtaking light show. As we hurtle through space, our perception of the universe around us would be dramatically altered. Firstly, we'd experience something called length contraction. Objects moving in the same direction as us would appear to squish together, becoming shorter in the direction of motion. Secondly, the Doppler effect would come into play, shifting the colors of light. Stars we approach would appear bluer, while those we move away from would appear redder. It would be a mesmerizing, ever-changing kaleidoscope of cosmic colors. Section 5. The Perils of Light Speed. While the idea of traveling at the speed of light is undeniably captivating, it's important to remember that it comes with its own set of significant and rather daunting challenges. The concept, often romanticized in science fiction, is far more complex and perilous than it appears on the surface. In fact, these challenges are so great that they make light speed travel for humans, at least for now, purely a product of science fiction. The laws of physics as we understand them present formidable obstacles that we have yet to overcome. Firstly, the acceleration forces involved in reaching light speed would be immense, potentially crushing our bodies. The human body is simply not designed to withstand such extreme forces, which would be many times greater than what we experience on Earth. Secondly, even tiny particles of interstellar dust would become incredibly dangerous projectiles at such speeds, posing a constant threat to our spacecraft. These particles, though minuscule, would carry enormous kinetic energy capable of causing catastrophic damage. And lastly, the intense radiation from blue-shifted light could have harmful effects on our bodies. This radiation, resulting from the Doppler effect, would be far more intense than anything we encounter naturally, leading to severe health risks. So, while we continue to dream of conquering the cosmos, the speed of light remains a tantalizing yet seemingly insurmountable barrier. Our aspirations to explore the universe are undiminished, but the reality of light-speed travel reminds us of the vast challenges that lie ahead.